तो चलिए आज हम आए हैं इस ब्यूटीफुल से हाउस में। दिस इज़ लाइक एन उडुपी स्टाइल हाउस। आप देख सकते हैं कितना ब्यूटीफुल बनाया है। ये एक अपार्टमेंट है जो कि बहुत प्यार से बनाया गया है, आप देख सकते हैं। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मीट अभी जो मॉम हम फीचर कर रहे हैं। देखिए कितना अच्छा यहाँ पे पूरा उन्होंने बनाया है, यू कैन सी इट। और उनके ब्यूटीफुल से किचन में हम आए हैं। डॉक्टर सौम्या होला की किचन में हम आए हैं। नमस्कार है डॉक्टर सौम्या। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल हाउस है एंड शी लव्स कुकिंग। अभी उस बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे। शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट एंड उनका खुद का हॉस्पिटल है, उस बारे में भी बात करेंगे। वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी। और देखिए कितना ब्यूटीफुली सब कुछ डेकोरेट कर रखा है। अभी घर को भी आगे से हम देखेंगे। तो आज हम क्या बना रहे हैं डॉक्टर सौम्या?
Tumbli.
तुम्बली।
Tumbli.
एंड व्हाट इज इट?
Tumbli is a coastal Karnataka or Udupi based dish which is basically made from coconut and it's curd based.
And how many varieties of tumble is there?
More or less about 50 to 60.
50 to 60 varieties, you know, thanks to our grandmom. तो बनाएं आज हम?
Because I'm from Mangalore, our staple cooking is from coconut oil and coconut. Done with any other oil. It need not be done only with.
Cumin seeds.
So for this much onion, for this I'll put about 3. This is Badgi Mensankai pallets.
Okay. अब ये प्याज डाला है हमने।
Instead of pyaz, you can add whichever vegetable you want. Garlic tumbli is very yummy. Then we make it out of methi seeds also.
Okay.
And we make it out of lot of these green leafy vegetables.
And ये instant
Recently
है।
I tried making avocado and basil tumbli. It came out very nicely by the way.
Okay. और ये जो तुमले है, it is eaten with rice.
Yes.
We'll show in the end कि कैसे इसको खाते हैं।
It's with
It's freshly grated coconut.
freshly grated coconut.
We have to now switch off the gas.
Yes, and then you just saute it in the heat only because it's coconut. It will start smelling. It will get burnt very fast.
Okay. अब हम इसको यहाँ पे ठंडा होने देंगे। So ठंडा हो गया।
This may be about 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Curd is homemade. I don't buy from stores.
Very beautiful.
My daughter calls it ice cream curd because she scoops it out. So I will add about 2 scoops of curd.
Done.
Smells nice.
Very nice and it looks nice also.
So, but this will be very concentrated, and I can't put too much curd into the mixie because it will start splattering. So after you put this can be stored in the freezer for up to 3
Acha.
months.
This concentrate.
In the freezer. Every time we have to then eat tumbli with rice. All we have to do is scoop this out, add curd to it,
अच्छा, okay.
and then serve it. This is very concentrated. Like with this much, I can make about 3/4 bowls of tumbli because this will be very spicy.
Okay. Almost 1 bowl of curd we have added.
Give it a nice mix.
हम तड़का बना रहे हैं यहाँ पर। तड़का पैन लिया, कोकोनट ऑयल।
Coconut oil.
हाँ। So now we are adding mustard seeds and hing. So now we put tadka in this.
So my onion tumbli is done. Like this, you can make tumblis out of variety of vegetables. If you wanted green, please add green chilies. If you wanted red, please add red chilies. And please don't forget to add freshly grated coconut. It is yummy and it tastes very nice with hot rice.
And by the way, your smile is also very nice.
Thank you very much. This is my husband's plate, and he loves his food. This is his plate, and he likes variety every day, and I'm happy to cook for him.
And
today I've made rasam from horse gram
Okay.
And I've made this is cluster bean palya with the tombli for today. This is also from Udupi. This is known as patrode. This is made from a leaf. So I made two varieties of patrode. This is just chopped and roasted on the stove. This is made like a palya.
And today we get to be as lucky in Zaika Ka Tadka to have this plate.
Yeah, you better
Right?
taste it. And you better tell me it is nice. You don't have
It
a
is
choice.
looking super. Your husband is a
Very happy man.
yeah, I can see that. इतना variety moms cook करती हैं. That is so amazing यहाँ पर. And now we'll serve tumli. And fryams compulsory. And where will you serve rasam and
After
beans?
the first batch.
First you have to eat with tumli, then the beans are
Because
served.
tumbli is made out of curd and jeera, which is why its digestive properties are much better than the others.
Acha.
So tumbli is eaten first, followed by palya, and then the rasam is eaten along with these accompaniments.
Okay, so rasam also can we serve on the plate?
Separate place.
Okay, so for rasam, so first the batch of rice is over. Now the second.
Okay, rasam is also eaten in a very. It's not done everywhere. It's only in mine with the ghee. This is homemade ghee. I don't buy it outside.
And then you put.
Make a well, put the rasam into it. And it's had water.
Okay.
Rasam is a delicacy, but
This is horse gram?
three items are always there.
This is which dish?
Horse gram. So I had soaked and boiled the horse gram for the rasam,
Okay.
and whatever was remaining, I made usli out of it. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
So now it's time to taste, Dr. Soumya.
Yeah, I hope so. Shweta have a bite.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this.
Let me know how it is.
श्वेता प्लेट उठानी पड़ेगी पूरी प्लेट आप ही की है
plate
दिस
is
इज
for
योर
me.
लंच यस
You have to sit and eat.
No,
Feel like royalty today.
oh, today is a royal treatment.
रॉयल ट्रीटमेंट
Today, for once, we should feed you, and because you are feeding all of us in a different way every day.
Doctor, amazing this is.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I loved it. I'm going to finish this whole plate.
यस श्वेता's lunch today